Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 4, Day 1. Listen carefully as I say 3 words. Mop, cob, sit. 2 of these words have the same middle sound. 1 does not. That word does not belong in the group. Which word does not belong? The words mop and cob have the ah sound in the middle. The word sit does not have the ah sound in the middle. Sit does not belong. I'm going to say a group of words. Listen for the middle sound. Tell me which word does not belong. Okay. Mom, sat, pond. One more time. Mom, sat, pond. Sat does not belong because it has an ah sound. Sip, not, him. Sip, not, him. Not does not belong because it has an ah sound. Dot, hop, big. Dot, hop, big. Big does not belong because it has an I sound. Sad, doll, bag. Sad, doll, bag. Doll does not belong because it has an ah sound. Okay friends, this week we are learning about the octopus card, and the sound the octopus card makes is ah. So this is uppercase and lowercase o, but the sound is ah, like octopus. Okay, we're going to read some words with short o, which says ah. Okay, here we go. Blend, not. Word, not. Can't blend yet, now blend. Dot. Word, dot. Here we go again. Can't blend yet, now blend. Job. Word, job. Here we go. P. Blend. Pot. Word, pot. Okay, let's look at these sounds. These are sounds we need to know to read. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 2, 1. X. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. B. 3, 2, 1. G. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Full. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. And. 3, 2, 1. Coal. Okay, here we go. We're going to read some of these, and then later on I'm going to let you have a turn to read them. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this together. Mom. Word, mom. Lot. Word, lot. Blend. Got. Word, got. Now, I know some of you might have wanted to say go here, but because we're blending, we know it's not going to say go because we have the T at the end, so it'd be got. Okay, here we go. Blend. Hop. Word, hop. Okay, this time you take a turn and I take a turn. So think of this sound. Blend. Blend. Word, hot. Now we'll do it together. We can't blend with B yet. Now blend. Box. Word, box. Okay, now your turn. Turn your voice on. Ready? Word, on. Let's do this one together. Log. Word, log. Okay, your turn. Now blend. Word, dog. Okay, here we go. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Doll. Word, doll. Now friends, once again, if we just had this would be do, but when we add the L, it makes it an ah sound, so it's doll. Okay, here's another one. Do this one. Blend. Word, rock. We'll do this one together. Sock. Word, sock. Okay, we have a bunch more, so I'm going to let you take a turn and I'll take a turn. Okay, this is your turn. Blend. Oh, this would be 2, but it's not 2 this time. Blend. Blend. Word, toss. Full. I'll do one with you. Floss. Word, floss, like you floss your teeth. Okay, do this one. Make those sounds. Word, fox. Okay. Fix. Word, fix. Okay, your turn. Turn your voice on. Blend. Word, lost. So ST, we have our sticky stairs. Sticky stairs, sticky stairs. Okay, we'll do this one together. Now blend. Pond. Pond. Okay, here's our FL. FL, full, full, full. You get to do this one. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Flip. Okay, together. Flop. Word. Flop. And you'll notice I don't turn my voice off. I keep going. Okay, this one's your turn. Okay, so there's PL. Blend. Blend. Word. Plop. Okay, here's bull. We'll do this together. Bullock. Word. Block. Your turn. Blend. 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 Word. Black. Okay, so we tell our students in class, because there's a capital, it's either a name or the beginning of a sentence or both. So let's read this word. It. Is it a name? No. So it's probably the beginning of a sentence. It is not hot. Okay, let's do it again. It is not hot. Do I have a capital? Yes. Do I have finger space? Yes. Can I read it? Yes. Do I have good spelling? Yes. Do I have an end mark? Tell me the end mark in 3, 2, 1. Just a period. Okay, here's another sentence. Let's blend it. Tom can hop a lot. Now let's read it fluently. Tom can hop a lot. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Can I read it? Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Period. Okay, here's one more sentence, okay? Bob lost a sock. Let's read it fluently. Bob lost a sock. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Is it legible? Yes. Good spelling? Yes. And end mark? Yes. We'll give you 3 seconds. End mark today is 3, 2, 1. Period. Okay, these are our high frequency words this week. This is the word fun. Read it with me. Fun. The word fun is spelled F-U-N. Spell it with me. F-U-N. Let's write it in the air. F-U-N. It is fun to play. This is the word make. Say the word with me. Make. The word make is spelled M-A-K-E. Spell the word with me. M-A-K-E. Let's write make in the air. M-A-K-E. Now, I want you to notice something. If I got rid of this, if I just had this, let's blend that. Mac. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. So this is make. If I didn't have the E, it'd be Mac. And then it says, I can make a doll. This is the word they. Read the word with me. They. The word they is spelled T-H-E-Y. Spell it with me. T-H-E-Y. The word they is spelled, now let's write it. T-H-E-Y. Okay, they will win. Okay, here's our last word. This is the word to. Read the word with me. To. The word to is spelled T-O-O. Spell the word with me. T-O-O. Let's write it in the air. T-O-O. Now, this is not like I want to go, because we have this to, like I want to go to the store. I want to play. This is like also. So do you like dogs too? So you're saying also. Do you like it also? Okay. Okay, this is our story for today. Let's blend it. Cam, cat. Very nice. Okay, let's do it again. Cam, cat. Here are the words we will see today. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, see. Okay, let's read this. Okay. Cam, cat. Okay, I'm going to let you read it, then I'll take a turn. Okay, here we go. Cam, cat, can go to the bus. The cat's going to the bus. Okay, I'm going to let you try first. Okay, here we go. Cam, cat, can go to the school. Okay, your turn. Okay, my turn. Our turn. Cam, cat, can see Tam. This must be Tam. Okay. Your turn. Okay. Cam, cat, can nap. And last one. Here we go. Cam, cat, can tap. Okay, that's it for that part. This is grammar, so this is understanding parts of speech. A question is a sentence that asks something and ends with a question mark. So let's watch how this is different. Rob can hop becomes can Rob hop? Or if I add an exclamation mark, Rob can hop. So this one means I'm excited. This is a question. And this is just normal. Okay? So do you notice how can, when it's a question, starts first? Can Rob hop? But if it's a statement, if I'm just telling you, it's just Rob can hop. But if I'm excited, Rob can hop. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Thanks.